right hand back side, left hand all the way up, tha, exhale, down, hai tai, thang tai, swung, bend forward as much as possible, relax the spine. Inhale, left hand back side, right hand all the way up. Exhale, down, slowly come down. Spread your hands to relax your spine. The last one, inhale, drop your right palm back side and left hand all the way up. If you can, then hai tai swung, drop your both palm down. Yes, that's great. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tha, sung, hai tai, thang tai, swung, dao swung. Very good, nice. One more time, inhale, doi tai, left hand back side and right hand all the way up. If you can, then drop your both palm down, hai tai swung. 1, very good. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Exhale, slowly come down. Sung, hai tai thang tai, swung, dao sung. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Follow me from here. Right leg outside of the mat and fold your left leg. Chin check up chin. Hai tai side of the body. Inhale center. Tai phai thang tai sung. Tai chai over your head. Hit bow. Hai tai lên. Tha. Hai tai thang tai swung. Inhale up. Tai chai, left hand back side, right hand all the way up. Yeah. Exhale down. Same one more time. Hit bow. Thở ra. Swung. You have to stay here. Yeah. Couple of breathe. 2, 3, 4, 5. Hit bow, hai tai, lên, tha, hai tai, thang tai, swung, dao sung. Very good job, nice. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same. Inhale, raise your hands up. Left hand tai chai back side and right hand all the way up. Very good. Relax and relax. Okay, relax. Xuống, mām xuống. Chân phải ngập chân, right leg fold, right hand under the thigh. Hai tai back side, interlock your finger. Both hand back side, interlock your finger. Look up, chin up. Đào lên mặt lên. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hít vào, chân phải lên, right leg up, thẳng chân lên. Lên up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tai phải, swung. Tai trái kết, chân phải lên, thẳng chân. Come to compass pose. Yeah, very good. 1, nice. 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Xuống. Same. Đổi chân. Change your leg. Hít vào, hai tay lên. Thở. Chạy swung. Hít vào, lên. Exhale. Come down. Yes. Inhale up. Right hand back side and left hand all the way up. Look up, chin up. Exhale, slowly come down. The last one, tai chai, thang tai swung. Tai phai over your head, grab your ankle. Very good, stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Same. Tai chai. Sorry, hai tai lin. Hai tai, thang tai, swang. Drop your both palm down. Expand your chest. Relax your thighs. Relax. Relax and relax. Hit bow. Hai tai lin. Tai phi. Back side. Left hand all the way up. Yes, very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Come center. Slowly come down. Chan chai. Gap chan. Tai chai. Tai phi. High thigh back side. Interlock your finger. Yeah, nice. Slowly. Hit bow. Chan chai. Lin. Left leg up. Thang chan. Very good. 1. Nice. 2, 3, 4, 5. Gap chan sung. Tai chai. Swang. Tai phi catch. Chan chai lin. Thang chan. Straight up as much as possible. Come to compass pose. Yeah, that's great. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Relax.